three ways how can you able to connect with your MCP server from your MCP client. There you go. So this is the first approach, which is the standard input and standard output. This is the most common and simplest approach. Server runs as a process, then communication will going to happen in your standard input and standard output, and all your client will going to manage the server end-to-end lifecycle. So if the clients want to interact with your server, then only it will going to initiate a new lifecycle of it, and it will going to communicate via standard input and standard output. Second approach then is the socket approach, which is the TCP based. Here you can expose your MCP server to any TCP port, so that you can able to communicate or interact with multiple servers and multiple nodes, and here you can able to connect your multiple client and you can share all the services of it. So this is also a very common approach when you are hosting your MCP server onto the production, and there are multiple servers which are relying on the third approach, which is your WebSocket approach. Here this WebSocket is primarily used if your MCP clients are live inside your browser or live inside your IDE extension. It will going to use this WebSocket protocol, which is also very common approach. This protocol it will going to use, and it will there would not be any direct process management. So this particular thing which you have to make a note of it. Smash that like button if you learned something new, and share with the friends who really need this.